In this video, we're comparing the pop pins for the seat and handlebar towers on the Spinner Rally. This is a 2017-2018 model bike. This bike's 2 weeks old. So here we go. Defective. Defective. Same situation. Now, here's the 2016. Now, the 2016 model had issues with the pop pins. They basically, in essence, they just self-destructed during use. I have many videos on my YouTube channel with the cover coming off and also the spring, the internal spring going bad. But reviewing this bike, the 2016 Spinner Blade, compared to 2017, 2018 Spinner Rally, this is supposed to be a new and improved bike. It's got many improvements, but I'll just say the 2016 handlebar tower pop pins are better construction than the 2017, 2018 Spinner Rally.